Imagine spending 4 years studying, working hard, surviving exams, assignments, stress, and sleepless nights, and finally reaching graduation day, only to hear someone tell you that artificial intelligence might completely change your future career. That is exactly what happened recently in America. And now, a huge debate has started online after graduation speeches about AI left many students uncomfortable, frustrated, and worried about their future. So what actually happened? Every year, universities in America organize graduation ceremonies where successful business leaders, entrepreneurs, celebrities, or executives give motivational speeches to students. Usually, these speeches are emotional and inspiring. Speakers talk about success, dreams, ambition, and building a better future. But this year feels very different because artificial intelligence has entered the conversation. Recently, Gloria Caulfield, an executive at Tavistock Development Company, gave a speech at the University of Central Florida. During her speech, she talked about how the world is going through massive change because of artificial intelligence and rapidly advancing technology. She explained that the future will be exciting, but also uncertain. Now, honestly, that statement itself was not shocking. The problem was the timing. Imagine graduating into a world where headlines constantly talk about AI replacing jobs, automating industries, and changing entire careers. Students are already worried about the economy rising, living costs, student loans, and job competition. And now, artificial intelligence is creating even more uncertainty. That is why many graduates are feeling anxious instead of excited. Some students online even joked that graduation speeches are slowly turning into warnings about surviving the AI era. And honestly, many young people are genuinely scared because artificial intelligence is growing incredibly fast. AI can already write articles, generate images, create videos, answer questions, code, software, design, graphics, translate languages, and even imitate human voices. Every month, new AI tools appear that are smarter, faster, and more powerful than before. And because of that, many students are asking one important question: will there still be jobs for humans in the future? Now, experts have mixed opinions. Some believe AI will destroy millions of traditional jobs. Others believe AI will simply change jobs instead of eliminating them completely. History actually shows something interesting. Whenever revolutionary technologies appear, old jobs disappear, but new industries also emerge. For example, the internet destroyed many traditional businesses, but also created entirely new careers like app development, digital marketing, content creation, cybersecurity, and social media management. The same thing may happen with artificial intelligence, but the transition period is what scares people, because nobody fully knows which jobs will remain safe in the next 10 years, and that uncertainty is becoming especially emotional for graduating students. Imagine studying for years to enter an industry and suddenly hearing that AI might automate large parts of it. That fear is becoming common across America. In fact, many students now feel pressure to learn AI skills immediately just to stay competitive. Universities are also rapidly changing. More colleges are adding AI courses, machine learning programs, and technology-focused education because they know the future job market is shifting. Even companies are changing hiring strategies. Today, many employers want workers who understand artificial intelligence tools instead of fearing them. And honestly, this may be the biggest lesson from the entire controversy. The people most likely to succeed in the AI era may not be those who avoid artificial intelligence, but those who learn how to work alongside it. Because AI is no longer science fiction, it is already reshaping the real world right now. And for millions of graduates entering the workforce today, that reality has suddenly become impossible to ignore.